Check 1 2. Welcome back to another DeFi Mechanics and Market Watch show. Today is February 12th, 2021. Year of the Ox. Happy Chinese New Year's. 新年快乐,恭喜发财. Alright, Year of the Bull, Year of the Ox. Isn't it quite fitting for the market right now? OX, also the start of all Ethereum addresses. What a coincidence, ain't it? Thank you for everyone who's been commenting, liking, and generally asking great questions about the videos. I appreciate it. I just crossed my 1,000th view on the how to farm bow. I guess there's still quite a lot of interest. Yeah, I will go through some small details of some general questions that I get. Just simple mechanic questions when we get deep dive into bow. But for now, let's go check out the news. So some big news probably here from just general crypto news. CEO of Uber says they're not considering for Rise, but they're thinking about accepting crypto for Rise now. We're getting up there, man. That's mass adoption. All right, that's just one simple of general crypto adoption. And today on Twitter, we see, oh, yesterday, we see Lindsay Lohan shilling Tron, TRX. A general thing that I noticed that I think a lot of rappers like Soldier Boy, um, uh, and they're all on the Tron side somehow. I think that's the group they're shilling and passing on the information. And we see Norm Macdonald um, now shilling Chainlink. Not really shilling, but just answering question. Now that he's a pretty respected comedian, and that's a pretty big one for Chainlink too. And we see Chainlink just showing up pretty big today too. Another thing we got a tweet from Bowman today, or yesterday. I keep on thinking it's been just it's the same day, but there should be a update to this weekend about the migration to XDAI. Man, about time, right? The Ethereum gas has just been. It dipped a little bit yesterday. I thought I could, try to catch and do some moves yesterday for you guys, but it just went back up really quick, and then wasn't able to. But hopefully, we hear some good news from the about from the Bowman this coming weekend. So I'm just after about a week now since I started farming, a million bow coming in, looking good. If I harvest now, we're not gonna go through with it. Just see what's the price. Nah, $200. That's still even if it's 100 gray, the withdrawal still about $100. So think about it, it's about $1 for every gray. Jeez. But anyways, keep that in mind. I 5% of that's like $50-$60. It's still not enough, so I'm just gonna keep it farming. Now, some general questions I get from the looking at the YouTube questions comments is that like one is what's the difference between Uniswap and SushiSwap? Does it matter where you get your bow? The answer is no. They're both just the front end of a decentralized application, like this swap, like a token to token swap. So if there's liquidity on here or there, for now there's a lot of liquidity on both both SushiSwap and Uniswap. So it does not matter where you get it, but it does kind of matter where you stake it. Like here, you need to add liquidity, right? Before your bow. This is where you add your bow and your ETH for Uniswap. But so SushiSwap is a different website, SushiSwap 5, and it's a different interface and a different where you add into them and their platform. So they reward you with whatever they are. That is why we have different kind of rewards for different maybe rates for Uniswap and SushiSwap, but they're still using the same Ethereum and same bow, but it's just your staking platform That is why you look for these deals. This is where your research comes from, right? Where's the better rate and better deal? And obviously, there's still two different kind of risks. Like Uniswap has just been out longer; it's the original. SushiSwap is a copy of it, but they have some pretty interesting, yield farm related stuff that come with that come with research, and that is, you know, yield farm really started with the sushi farming thing back in September, October of last year. So there you go. That is one. Another one is people who just coming in really FOMOing in. You gotta be kind of cognizant of this feed and penalty fund. I think this a lot of people, because we're all excited about our vow. We wanted to harvest and we want to start trading, selling, getting our value as soon as possible. But you gotta understand the fees, all right? The standard fee, like 0.075 deposit fee from your LP, you kind of probably, it's out there. But your withdrawal fees, you gotta understand, is from 0.01 to almost a 1%, from the top. If you just go in and out, this is an anti-whale kind of mechanism. Like if you just go in and out, people have a lot of money. They can just go in like for a couple hours or a day and come out. This is to prevent that for long-term stakers. If they within an hour they charge you that fee 5 days. So the minimum, if you want the minimum withdrawal fee 0.1%, 0.1%. So add up together, it's 0.85 out of your liquidity pool, just out of that. So really, the longer you stake, that is what is a great tokenomics distribution system to keep the stakers in the game and reward you for your future. The longer you are. So 4 weeks, about a month, is probably generally what most of you want to test out the system. That is why we see a monthly kind of up and down. To get the minimum of the withdrawal fee. And during that time, of course, it doesn't have to do anything with the harvesting fee. It's just about when you want to withdraw your liquidity from from the platform, the unstake. Harvest is a different thing. It doesn't have a fee. It's just the transaction fee from the Ethereum. And of course, how this distributed, 5% now, 95% later. So really keep that in mind. Go through all of this, since if you're going to be farming, putting a little bit of your money in there, get a little value. You want to understand a lot of this, and why is it exciting what they're coming out, and why is it so important to keep track of Bauman and his announcements. Other than that, of course, we're gearing up our XDAI mechanics. Seeing a lot of action over here too. Seeing a lot of liquidity slowly creeping up again. Also, they had a little back in October, November. It's like the pre-pump, but this one, after it starts going, this is the major. With the mainstream starts coming in, we're trying to get our position. So what I do see, if you guys also been playing this, a BAO token that's been appearing on the XDAI, but according to the BAO man, there hasn't been, there's no XDAI, they're not on there yet, and if they are officially, then they will say it. But the funny thing is, since that's the decentralized nature of this, right? This BAO token is actually transferable. If you've transferable on the OmniBridge already. So I don't know if somebody already kind of like previewing that. But then again, like because of this decentralized nature of this, anybody can't really start build a bridge of their BAO token. Oh, never mind. I thought I saw it. Am I still on the XDAI? I think I'm able to transfer it out. But anyways, let's not just play with that. Just wait for this weekend until the real. I think the token's gonna be. Oh, they haven't said it here, but they should said it here. Like it should be called bao.cx or something. OmniBridge. Okay, just look for that token, all right, and not just BAO on Bao on the X tag. It has a little liquidity. You can start trading it, and the price is, well, it's a little premium. Maybe you can do a little arbitrage, but like I said, it might not be the real Bao, so be careful with that. This is where the research come from, and of course, um, yeah, I've been trading on the Honey Swap back and forth, uh, um, for the last couple of days, just because I couldn't do anything on the Ethereum network. So it's pretty cool. I picked up some. I did pick up some Badger, getting ready to do some Badger staking. I really was waiting for a low price to show you how to start farming Badger or Dig. It's another project I've been watching, and their TVL is going up like crazy also, and their farming. An overview is what's good thing about it is they have only one claim button. All this you can deposit all different kind of liquidity pool or Badger or Dig in there, but you only need one claim button for all your both Badger and Dig, which is a really cool feature for yield farming for the long run. So I think that is why it has a nice unique feature for yield farmers try out once it's low. But since it's still fee is high and I don't want to trade back and forth over there, I've been just trading it back and forth over here, holding it, maybe try to kill up a little bit more. And when it's low, I'll transfer it over using OmniBridge and stake it. And maybe I'll show you how to do one of these other liquidity pools. Uh, you know, and yeah, I'm also watching these other projects. If you guys want to know in the comments which one you want me to go to do next, I will probably do it, uh, then show you guys. Compound, Ave, these are all really good projects. Zerion's a good, nice chart thing to track of your things. So yeah, that's about it. Let's look at the general market over here. Everything Link took off, I think, because of the recent Chico video and Lord McDonald. Yeah, Link's gonna fly pretty hard when it goes. So all right, I think that's all I have to say about today, and hope everyone is hanging tight, farming right, and taking flight, right? Let's enjoy this journey together, and always be on the back of your mind. Um, this nothing goes up forever, and when there's big old hype, there's always a come down, and you always have to be ready. What your exit plan, stop loss, your circuit breaker is. Like I say, going up, if you want to free roll, you always want to take sell half as you go up, so you have your um, initial investment out, and you don't have to worry about too much. I know it's always controlling our greed, right? But yeah, these are the couple of ones I have to say, and hope everybody's having a good, happy Chinese New Year, eating some good bao and dumplings and all the good stuff. And I will see you on the next one. All right, peace.